Sherlock. When we were young, we often wondered how the ships float and move through the water. In this video, I will show you the ship's engine room and machineries that are relevant for the ship's operation and maneuvering through the water. This video will also serve as familiarization of the engine room, especially for those taking up marine engineering course in preparation for their embarkation on board a vessel.
So this is the engine room entrance. This is the second deck level of the engine room. This is the engine control room. This is where you can start and monitor different machineries and its parameters remotely. With oil service tank, sewage treatment tank para sa tae, guys. With oil incinerator. This is the engine room workshop. You can find here the various tools and spare parts. This is the steering gear room. You can also find the hypermesh pump and various chemicals. The main engine, which propels the ship through the water. The auxiliary engines or the generator engine that supply electricity for the ship. Various auxiliary machineries, main air compressor and air bottle. This is the purifier room. You can find here the FO and LO purifier, FO heater, booster and FO supply pump. Now let's go to the lower part of the engine room. In the lowest flooring of the engine room, you can find the oil water separator and 15 ppm alarm, the flywheel, tank top, the FO and DO transfer pump, main cooling pumps, emergency exit, ballast and GS pumps, main engine LO backwash filter, LO cooler, ballast water treatment system. This is the emergency generator room where you can find the emergency generator engine that supplies power or electricity when the ship is having a blackout. This is the mooring winch hydraulic pump and the steering gear number 1 and 2. This is the boiler area starting from the top. Boiler is the equipment or machinery that generates steam for heating purposes. This is the boiler, main burner and control mechanism. This is the AR tank top, and make sure it is clean and oil free. Basically guys, that was the quick familiarization of the engine room. So thank you for watching. Have a safe and happy sailing. Bye bye guys.